Welcome to Food Fanatix. Add 2 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon wheat flour, 1 teaspoon ajwain, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix with a spoon and then rub with your fingertips. Add water and knead until it forms into a dough. Cover and leave it for 15 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 sliced onion. Sauté the onions. 4 roughly cut boiled potatoes. Add 1 teaspoon ajwain, half tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon crushed chilies. Lightly mash the potatoes. Squeeze 1 lemon into the mixture. Add 3 roughly cut green chilies. Add coriander leaves and mix. Set aside and let it cool. Blend 10 roughly cut bullets, half cup vinegar, 2 teaspoons salt. Knead the dough lightly. Lightly dust the surface. Roll a small amount of the dough and roll it into the shape of an oval. Cut it into half. Apply water on the edges. Add a spoonful of the potato mixture in the middle and fold as shown. Lightly dust a plate and place the samosas. You can freeze them for up to 3 weeks. Deep fry the samosas until light brown.